Hey, this is Scott from Simple Musician Academy, and I want to thank you for checking out this video. Look, if you can, real quickly for us, if you're enjoying these videos that we're bringing to you, could you go down there to the bottom and give us some thumbs up? But also, if you could you subscribe to our channel? Listen, it helps us, but also what it does is it keeps you connected to everything that we're putting out. And by the way, make sure you follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and on X. And also make sure you go over to simplemusicianacademy.com and you check out all of the courses that we have and all of the material that we provide on our website. Look, you are our best advertisement. So if you are enjoying what we're doing and you like the way we teach and deliver this musical education, please, please, please recommend us to your friends and your family. We appreciate it. Hey y'all, Scott here. So listen, today we're going to do the song Free Falling by Tom Petty. It is in the key of F. Now, we're going to actually do this song playing D, the key of D chord positions, okay? So in order to do that, we're going to have to take our capo and we're going to put our capo on the 3rd fret, because in order to get us into the key of F, we've got to move up 3 half steps. So we're going to take our capo, put it on that 3rd fret, and now let's review a little bit of what the chords are that are going to be in this. So our first major chord, and it's the root chord, is going to be our D chord. Okay? So we're going to use it. Then the next chord that we're going to look at is going to be our G chord, our G major chord. And that's what our G looks like, okay? And then the 3rd chord we're going to use is an A. And the A we're going to use is this A4, okay? So it's barring the major 3 notes of the A, but then on that 2nd string, and we're going to push down there. There you go. And if you notice, one of the things again that's going to happen is that this ring finger of ours is going to stay put in that position for basically the entire song, which we've done that before in a song before. So it should be kind of common to you. So one of the things just to know is let him just stay there, because he's going to stay in that position. So we've got our D, then our G, then our A. And that's the 3 chords that are in the song. So we have 3 major chords that are in this song. Awesome. So here we go. So let's just take a look at it. At the beginning of the song, they play this little open part that happens only in the D. And the only thing that's changing in the D is that 1st string. And we're moving it from it being on that 5th fret, and I'm saying 5th fret because that's what it is on the neck. So don't get confused with our capo being there. It's going to be on that 5th fret, and then we're going to take our pinky and move that bottom string, that 1st string, up 1 note to that 6th fret. Then we're going to go back to the 5, and then we're going to make him open, which is giving us that 3rd, it being on the 3rd because of our capo being there. So it's okay? So let's just practice that real quick together. So that rhythm is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Strum, 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 strum. And if you notice, those pushes on those strums are happening in where the pulse of the song is happening in the rhythm. Okay? 'Cause I'm free. Free falling. Bum, bum, bum. so you can kind of feel how that pulse is happening, right? Okay, so that's going to happen in the beginning. Now, when we get into the verse and the chorus, we're just going to go back to D, G, So let's try that together, okay? So go ahead, get your position there, and let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, D, G, G, D, A, D, G, G, D, A. There you go. So you kind of feel how that changes. Now, what I suggest is take a little bit of time and just work on how those changes between those three chords work, okay? The more you can get familiar and that becomes comfortable to you, the better you're going to do with this song. And a little hint, you're going to do that chord progression of those three chords the entire song. Yeah, it's that easy. It's one of the reasons why I think this is a great song to learn when you're beginning. All right, let's take a look at what the strumming is actually doing. Down, up, and down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down. And you just get the changes in what it's doing as you're feeling the pulse of what the rhythm is, okay? And again, you kind of feel it within the song. Da-dun. Okay? So take a moment there, just kind of work through that, get how that feels, get your strum lining up, doing your changes with your fingers. There you go. And just get comfortable with that. All right? So here we go. Let's actually go through the song now with the track. You'll hear a click and you'll hear the count off.
Intro, 2, 3, 4.
Here we go to full chords.
Turn around. Verse.
There you go. Feel the pulse. I'm going to turn around to the verse. Bring it down now. Down. Way to go. Awesome. Good job. Man, pat yourself on the back. That was really good. So one of the things just to keep in mind is when playing with these tracks, one of the things that's important with playing with them is it helps you establish your pulse. It helps you establish your rhythm. Most of all, it teaches you how to work through the kinks. Like for instance, when I hit the wrong chord, you don't just stop and like, I'll start over. No, you got to learn how to jump right back in where you're at. So learning how to play with the songs is always going to make you a better player. Great job. See you in our next song. Again, we want to thank you for checking out our video. Make sure, again, you go down and you give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to us.